Hi guys, my name is Sandeepa and I'm the owner of Kha Creation. I've been in this business for about 22 years. I have a daughter and I have two sons. One is a cat, his name is Magic, and one is a dog. His name is Dudi. So that's about it. That's my family right over here. And the other family is BNI. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what a referral means to a member in BNI and how the journey of the referral goes and how it benefits other members within our group. So let me walk you through one of the referrals I received from one of the earlier members who's not no longer in BNI. This was from Looking Point. They had an issue with HubSpot template and they needed somebody to come in and fix it super quickly. We had a member called Eden Reed, and she was the marketing manager for this company, and she needed quick help. So we sat together, figured out what the problem was, and quickly got the website up and working and helped fix the issue. And here is what she said: I can't thank you enough for the work you're putting in because it was way more hours than it was originally expected. So this was just like a fix it kind of a thing. It was a 12 hours, not a big deal. And like I say, in car creation, we don't care whether it's a 1 hour work or whether it's a multi-hour work, we do it all. So this led to, so this was their website, got it up and running. This led to one of their delivery service managers introducing us to a Rossmore community. All he said was, we host our website through HubSpot, and the web developer we use for special projects is Sandeepa Naik. And I have never worked with him. I don't know this guy. He just introduced me because he wanted to give a name out, and he heard that we had worked with Looking Point on their website issue. Boy, that changed a lot of stuff for me. The minute I heard Rossmore, it was groundbreaking for us. So, Ann Peterson, the director of communication, she called me to her office and she had a problem. Again, this was a small job for our company, but no problem. They wanted to get away from their current marketing team who was hijacking their website, and anything they wanted to change, any touch, any click, $500, $1,000. So she was running out of budget to make small changes and she was frustrated. The more reason of her frustration was, if she would say something today, she would hear back from them after 15 days. That too after sending them emails back and forth. We at Car Creation, we are quick. You send us an email today, you get a response tomorrow because we have account managers managing your account. They are sitting and working with you on daily basis. Our motto is make the change overnight and get you your product fast. So Peterson said they have no troubles with the migration we did from that site to the new site. Everything appears to be working. This was kind of a damp thing because I put a lot of efforts making sure this went smooth and seamless. Anyway, I did not expect much, but then too I kept in touch. And what she did was she, without me knowing, went ahead and started generating more work, introducing me to people and so on. Here is their website, the breaking news module. We keep making updates with them on a daily basis. So this is what Doug says, a bread and butter client, where they have changes to make on the website on daily basis, and they have the funds to keep their website updated. So we did several projects for them, like hosting their meetings online and member directory and so on. So she then went ahead and she called me to her office one day and she told me, hey, this is the person I want you to meet. And his name was Javier. He is an application support specialist in the Rossmore community who takes care of the Rossmore facility. He's one of the specialists. And he had this big project. Guess My God, now this particular referral had now gone from being bread and butter to a cream referral. So this guy then allowed us to create a web portal which we are launching next week. This was almost a 8 month kind of a project. We integrated several different applications. This was pretty complicated. That is why we say we are not just website developers, we are web application developers or web developers. We do everything. We are agnostic of the systems, we are agnostic of the language. If it is on the web, we do it. So we integrated their golf course, their reservation times, their scheduling, their booking. All this was done from scratch, integrating into various different complex applications. So they can book their tea time over here. This is meant for their own members, not anybody outside Rosmore. So this is what he had to say to us in middle of the project, like about 2 months ago. Thank you for all your work. So I guess, oh, so this was, sorry about that. So this, I showed you the testimonial that he had given earlier. He then introduced us to Rossmore Art Association. Now again, this kept on becoming one of my dream referrals. You guys, this is now the fourth project I'm working on, just from one 12-hour job. So here, again, the work keeps on giving. So we created Rossmore Art Association project, which had all the bells and whistles. This was a non-profit website, so we had to do custom development that allowed them to not pay monthly to various agencies like scheduling and event booking and so on. So after we did this, so here is the member portal. This is how their Rossmore Art Association member portal shows. So subscriptions, billing, phone book, member details and everything just within their portal. So this is a WordPress website and we can make or manipulate WordPress to do anything we want. So one of the things I want to touch base over here, it's not just the referrals, it's also the importance of members. Now we know that 2021, 22 is all going to be online and it's so important to, be shown online. This is where I give my shout out to Adam. Because of him, all these referrals, all around Walnut Creek, Concord, Pittsburgh, Danville, is when you type web design, we come up the topmost in the map, thanks to Adam. He worked with us for a whole year and he made our website and our online presence spread so far and wide that these are the referrals that have come to us from these places. This has resulted in more than 70,000 worth of business for just through this particular venture that we have. Thank you so much, Adam. I strongly suggest, please use our members. These people are specialists. That's what DNI means to me. Thank you.